Good morning, everybody. I would like to thank the College for their diligent, professional and thorough work over the past few months. I have received their findings, their conclusions and recommendations, and as Commissioner, I accept them in full. As part of the process, I asked the College to notify me immediately if they discovered anything that would amount to action needing to be taken against any officer or employee of the constabulary for misconduct or negligence of duty, or anything that would have altered the outcome of the search and investigation or indicated that Nicola could definitely have been found sooner. There have been no such findings, and therefore this review is very much a learning review, with a number of recommendations which, given the unprecedented nature of this case, are mainly for policing nationally. There are also many areas of this case where Lancashire Constabulary represented the very best of policing, with the search and investigation being well resourced, professionally conducted and calling upon national good practice. It is often too easy to sweep past significant amounts of good work and exemplary conduct to get to the areas of learning in a review. Given the whole core of this operational response is praised by the review, I would therefore like to take the opportunity to pause and thank the many officers, staff and volunteers of Lancashire Constabulary who worked tirelessly and professionally to find Nicola. I know that this is not the outcome any of them wanted, but they did their utmost for Nicola and her family.
Looking at all of the evidence available to us, we believe the decision not to declare a critical incident set the tone within the constabulary and led to several challenges. The College of Policing defines a critical incident as any incident where the effectiveness of the police response is likely to have a significant impact on the confidence of the victim, their family and or the community. This investigation clearly met that definition. So whilst we found the constabulary deployed considerable resources and identified Nicola's disappearance as high risk, the failure to declare a critical incident is significant and impacts on the decision-making process throughout the investigation. One of the decisions which has arguably the most significant impact on public confidence was the release of personal information about Nicola's health. We found that due process was followed in this decision and that it was lawful, but we are in no doubt that releasing this information in the manner the constabulary did was both avoidable and unnecessary. We felt that we should be very clear in our findings, and as I said in my opening comments, that we didn't shy away from making criticism where criticism was due. We also complemented the exemplary search and investigation. It's a serious criticism. It's linked to the failure to declare it a critical incident, and had it been declared a critical incident earlier, a command structure with a gold, silver, bronze decision-making process would have given greater scrutiny to the relationship with the media, the deployment of family liaison officers, and the press releases which were made.
The report says hold the police to account at the time when there was clear failures.
First, with regard to the issues within the media and communications team, so as the report has rightly highlighted, they were under immense pressure through an unprecedented amount of contact that was into the media and engagement team. The review has rightly identified ways in which that could have been better managed in the future. As I said at the start in my opening statement, there have been no grounds for which anyone has conducted anything that could be considered misconduct. This is learning for the organisation about how it can better handle media relations in the future during these unprecedented cases. And the team has been incredibly transparent and has conducted their interactions with this review with candour, and we are really comfortable that those learnings have already been taken on.
So we believe that the failure to call it a critical incident until the 16th of February did lead to several challenges in the resourcing and management of this incident, notably the media management.